Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode we will be learning how to download Westpac application on Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Google Play Store from your Android device. Once you open up Google Play Store on your device, go to the search box at the top and type in Westpac. Once you come across the Westpac Banking Corporation application, which looks like this, you will need to now tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Westpac Banking Corporation, often shortened to Westpac, is a major Australian multinational banking and financial service company. It offers a wide range of personal banking service, including checking and saving accounts, credit cards, home loans, personal loans, and much more. Soon after the application installs on your device, tap on the Open button to launch Open Westpac on your Android. So that is how you will be able to download and install Westpac on Android in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.